This video is all about how to get instant glowing skin at home. It's the best skin glow remedy that helps you achieve brighter, healthier skin with just one use. This face pack is perfect for removing tan and giving your skin a natural glow. To prepare this glow face pack, you will need 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Gram flour is a natural exfoliant that removes dead skin cells and deeply cleanses the skin. It also gives a natural glow to your face. 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder. Orange peel powder helps to lighten and brighten your skin naturally. It also treats blackheads and whiteheads. 1/2 teaspoon of licorice powder. Licorice powder has healing and soothing properties that prevent your skin from any damage. It also helps to fade away dark spots, blemishes, and pigmentation. 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Yogurt hydrates your skin, removes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and gives you younger looking skin. Mix all the ingredients well to form a smooth paste. Apply it to your cleansed face and neck, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse your face with cold water, then apply your favorite moisturizer. For best results, use this face pack twice a week.